Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Koran Labs. In this video, we will have a look at cloud native OAM deployment and the subsequent connection with OAI RAN stack and LiteON RU. This is the diagram of our deployment. The O1 adapter resides on the same server as RAN. Other important components in this architecture include the WES and the data collector, Kafka, and SDNC. So this is the OAM repo which we need to clone. Inside the OM repo, we further have two folders, solutions and solution KATS. The solution directory is for Dockerized deployments and the solution KATS is for OM deployment on Kubernetes, which we will be showing today. So these are the files and folders inside the solution KATS. Next, we need to install a few dependencies like make. Then we can run this make install prerequisites command to install the Helm chart museums and other required libraries. So next we will run the make prepare template command. Here we have to provide the internal IP address. So we will give the same IP for external and at the end we will pass the FQDN. Now this is the location of the overwrite file and any subsequent changes need to be done from here only after you have created the template. Now we will edit the file for Kubernetes deployment. We will add a new field, hostname. Now we will build a cluster by running the make create infrastructure command. So we can watch the pods on the right hand side. So here the cluster is now up and running and we can now move further. So now we will check the status of the node. So it is ready and now we will deploy SMO. For that we need to run the make deploy SMO command. So now the deployment has started. So these are the services on the left hand side and on the right hand side you have the pods running on Kubernetes. Now this is our dashboard and once we log in, we can see there is nothing as of now over here as RAN stack is not connected. So now we will clone the O1 adapter repository. We will go inside the source folder first. And over here you can run the build.sh script. So once the build is successful, it will create a GNB adapter file for us. Now this is the config.json file and we have to provide the all host configurations here like the IP, the netconf port, which should be configured correctly, and here is the west collector URL. All this should be correctly provided in this file. Now we will run the RAN stack on the right hand side and we will wait for the connection with the radio unit. This is the PTP. It is working fine. So you can see the RAN stack is running on the right hand side. Now we will run our GNB adapter script. So here at the bottom, you can see the log that telnet is connected. This means a connection has been established. Here on the right hand side, we have the pods, and on the left hand side, we have the logs for West Collector. So if we look here again, we can see the configurations of our deployment, and on right hand side, we have logs for the RAN. So on the dashboard, back again, now we can see a connection. So our RAN is connected. Here are the logs of AMF mentioning the GNB and the UE. So inside the dashboard, if we go inside this, so these are the configurations as seen on the dashboard. We can pick one, go inside the manage element, and can further see the different attributes. And on support elements, we can also see the performance metrics. So that was all for this video. Thank you so much.